Let us start with the exercise 1.2 second sum. To find the rank by row reduction method. Here we have three sums to learn about row reduction method. So let us see the first sum. Let AB. So here it is a matrix of 3 rows, 4 columns. We have to adjust the rows, multiply, subtract, think over and bring them to the echelon form. So here what we are going to do, row 2 is adjusted as row 2 minus twice of row 1. So that will be what? Row 2. They are adjusting only the row 2. So let us write the row 1 like that as it is. So when we come to row 2, think of that. 2 minus 2. So that becomes 0. Row 2 minus 1 minus 2. So it is minus 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 6. So it is minus 2. Now they are not disturbing the row 3. So just write the row 3 as it is. So we got 1 0 here. Again we are trying to get the last row 0. Third row, first element, we have to try to get 0 there. So what is the adjustment they are doing? Now row 3, see the row 3 that can be adjusted as row 3 minus 5 times row 1. Row 3 minus 5 times row 1. So that changes. How it will change now? So the first two rows should be written as it was there. This is like the next step of the sum. So here the row is 5. Row 3 you have 5 minus 5 into 1. So 5 minus 5 it becomes 0. So minus 1 minus 5. So that becomes minus 6. 7 minus 5 that becomes 2. So 11 minus 5 into 3 15. 11 minus 15. So that becomes 4. Minus 4. So we got 1 0. Now we have to try the elements in the third row all to become 0. Think how it can be done. When we relate the second row and the third row, if we multiply the second row and subtract, we are getting 0. 2 minus 2 0, 4 minus 4 0. So the next step, how it is going to change now? Row 3 can be changed as row 3 minus twice of row 2. This should be mentioned. This is very necessary. So row 3, this happens now. This becomes 0. This becomes 0. Minus 6. Minus of minus 6 is plus 6. So it is 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 4. Minus of minus 4. That again becomes 0. So the last equivalent matrix is in row echelon form. It has two non-zero rows. So you have two non-zero rows here. So one row has completely become 0. Therefore, the last equivalent matrix is in row echelon form. No, this is in echelon form. So therefore, rank of A is equal to 2. We move on to the second sum of the second. Let A be equal to so it is 4 rows and 3 columns. So row 2 can be adjusted. Row 2 you have 3. So the row 1 you have 1 first elements. So 3 minus 3 is 0. Row 2, get one idea and start doing it. Row 2 minus thrice of row 1. So row 2, the first row is not disturbed, it is kept as it is. Row 2, we are adjusting. So row 2, how it is adjusted now? 3 minus 3. So that becomes 0. Minus 1 minus 6. So this becomes minus 7. 2 minus of minus 3. So that is 2. That becomes 5. Now row 3 is adjusted as row 3, row 1. Row 3 minus row 1. So this is 0 minus 4, 4. Now row 4 is adjusted as row 4 minus row 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1. So that becomes 2. So this is second step itself. We changed the 3 rows here. Row 3, row 3 divide by 4. Next step, again here we can adjust something like row 4 can be adjusted. Row 4 is written as row 4 minus thrice of row 3. So row 4, row 3 is equal to 7 row 3 minus row 2. This turns to be 0, 0, 2. R4 So the last equivalent matrix is in row echelon form. It has 3 non-zero rows. So therefore the rank of A is 3. So with this we'll go to we finished this sum. We have found out the rank. We'll move on to the third sum of this second sum. Now let A be. First think of there are different types of adjustment. In this sum they are teaching us row 3 and row 1 can be interchanged. Row 3 and row 1 can be just flip flop, like row 3 comes to row 1 and row 1 comes to row 3. So we'll write it how it comes. The change is done. Why they are doing this change? Because it has the term 1 there, that if it is on the top, the other things can be made into 0, and easily you can acquire the echelon form. So next we will adjust row 2. Row 2 plus twice of row 1. So it is 0, -1, 7, 0. Then row 3, what they are adjusting for the row 3? Row 3 is row 3 plus thrice of row 1 plus thrice of row 1. So how it is 3 plus it is a -3. So again that becomes 0. With the result of this matrix, again adjust it. Row 3, it is all multiple of 2. So divide that by 2. So the numbers are reduced now. So we can see row 3 and row 2 and row 3, three elements are same. So when they are like this, you can subtract and make them 0. So row 3 here should be what? Row 3 minus row 2. So the result will be the last equivalent matrix is in the row echelon form. It has 3 non-zero rows. That's all we can do. We cannot make this 0. The last row, last element cannot be made into 0. The last equivalent matrix is in the row echelon form. It has 3 non-zero rows. Therefore, rank of A is equal to 3. So with this, we finish the 1.2 second sum. Under second sum, we had 3 sums. So finding out rank.